Concluding the Shakha. The Mukhya Shikshak shall blow the whistle for Prarthana Sampata. If no whistle is present, all the aggressors, including the guests if any, shall come to the aggressor Rekha and stand in Daksha. The Mukhya Shikshak shall check the distance between them as at the start of Shakha and call the order
Aggressor, Sammik. Aggressor, Rama.
The Gana Shikshaks shall bring the Ganas behind the Sampata area and then order Swasthan. The Swayam Sevaks or Sevikas shall go in their respective Ganas and then do Arama. The Prarthana Pramukh shall stand 2 steps to the right of the extreme right aggressor when the Swayam Sevaks and Sevikas come for Sampata. When everyone has arrived, the Mukhya Shikshak shall order
Sangha Taksha. Sangha Sammik. Aggressor, Ardha Vrta. Sangha Rama. Sangha Daksha. Sankhya. Rama.
The Prarthana Pramukh shall give the total Sankhya to the Mukhya Shikshak before standing to his or her right side for Prarthana.
Sangha Daksha. Rama.
The Mukhya Shikshak will give the Sankhya to the present Adhikari. If there are any Suchanas or information or notices to be given, they should be given after Arama and before Prarthana when the Swayam Sevaks and Sevikas are standing in Arama.
Sangha Daksha.
The Mukhya Shikshak will whistle one short note or give Ajna Prarthana, which is a signal to get ready to Prarthana Sthiti, and Prarthana is started by the Prarthana Pramukh.
Sarvamangala Mangalyam Devim Sarvartha Sadikam Sharanyam Sarvabhutana Namamo Bhumi Mataram Vishwadharma ki jai.
विश्वधर्म की जय. ध्वज प्रणाम 1, 2, 3.
Then the Prarthana Pramukh shall march to a step away from the Dhwaja and do Dhwaja Pranam. He or she shall then take a step forward and take out the Dhwaja Stambha from the stand and hold it firmly in his or her left armpit at an angle so that the Dhwaja can be taken down easily with the right hand and folded with both hands. The Dhwaja Stambha should be placed back into the stand. Then the folded Dhwaja should be neatly placed on the left forearm. Then, after making a left turn, the Prarthana Pramukh should return to his or her place on the right hand side of the Mukhya Shikshak.
Sangha Vikira.
On the order of Vikira, all Swayam Sevaks shall turn right, do Pranam, mentally count to 4, then leave their places. The Mukhya Shikshak, Prarthana Pramukh and the Karyavaha or Mananiya Sangachalak do not turn right but do pranam in their unchanged positions but in synchronization with all other Swayamsevaks and Sevikas. We have seen the normal process of a Shakha. It should be as explained above. While having special programs, changes can be made accordingly.